Welcome back to the video, guys. Zach with Money Pit RC. Today's video is a Sunday recap video, and as you can see behind me, we re-updated the wall. I always get in these moods where I just start taking cars off the wall and changing them around. So this is the best that I came up with, and I hope you guys like it. So I kind of tried to section them off a little bit, leave my micro crawlers on the left. Tried to get like the smaller bashers, and then the bigger bashers that don't fit sideways I put up and down, literally the cars underneath. And then coming into my 110 crawlers, got all those, some more bashers, and like my micro section, like very micro. And then we have the boats on the top. Couple more crawlers. We got the Bigfoot, we got the Baja Ray, and then we got the crawler tracks down there. So I don't know if you saw in my last video that we started to redo the course a little bit. Just added some spray foam here and there and all that. So that's a project that I'm just going to leave for another day, just because that it's going to take a while. But that is my overview of the course. I don't know if I ever showed that or not, but it's small. It's really nothing too good, but like I said, the course is really nothing crazy. I do want to redo it completely, but right now I'm just kind of like adding some spray foam here and there to act as rocks, just because it's not good, even for like the content purposes of just crawling on it. It doesn't challenge them like I really want it to. So we're gonna try to make it more challenging, redo it, all this. So let's get on the bench, see what we worked on this week, and see what's coming. Well, we got nothing on the bench. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Just kidding. We got the four-wheel steer buggy on the bench. I did have a review video. It should already be posted. If you haven't checked that video, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can look that one up. We finished it. It is 100% done. I went over it in the build video, but Gladiator links rear, Bronco rear links in the front, make it really stretched out, make it really wide, four-wheel steer, black label tires, yada yada yada. You know the drill. This thing is fun. It performs really well. I'm actually really impressed. That's all I gotta say. It is done. I love the raw aluminum with the blue. I think it looks really good. Might want to build another one, but I also want to build one of those Moose MB24s again, just because I built the other one as like a pre-runner. I want to actually build one as a good, capable crawler. Speaking of the weight, the electronics finally shipped for this. So this thing should be back up and running hopefully soon. I can't tell you if it'll be in the next video or not because I don't have the full tracking, but it should be running very shortly. And you guys are gonna be excited to see what we put in this, because I am. I haven't had this thing running in a while and I miss it, you know? It was one of my favorite rigs. It still is. Just haven't ran in a while, so very excited to get this thing finished. Maybe we'll put a new body on it just because I'm over the white. Maybe we'll get another body and paint it up something crazy, even though I'm not good with painting. But so I know my last Sunday video was a lot of repairing because we went to White Rose and we broke a couple rigs. But this one, like I said, all we had to do was put a servo in it because it really didn't break. It just stripped out the gears. So we put one of those NTF hobbies in it. So what do you guys want to see next on this JLU? Because in the future, aka very soon, the Gladiator should be here, the new one, the V2 or whatever you want to call it. So that should be here, and I want to build that one, but I don't know what to do with that one either. So this one's very basic, very modern, couple brass pieces, wheels and tires, and other than that, it's pretty much stock. Performs really well, looks really good. I'm actually really impressed with how it looks. So definitely leave a comment below of what we should do with this one, with the Gladiator, and all that, because I just enjoy driving them how they are. I will replace when they break if you guys want to do that. So let me know about that. You guys haven't seen this one yet. Well, unless you follow my Instagram. This is my first ever deadbolt. I have not owned a deadbolt, and I regret not buying one sooner because this thing is awesome. So originally I bought the body, and it just came with the frame and the front bumper. Really, I got it off eBay as like kind of a parts thing. So it came with the body and then the frame. So we immediately took the body off because I needed the hinge mount. So what we did is a very basic build. We have the Dragonfly LCG chassis, FuryTech Micro Komodo. We have the Lizard Pro ESC, Reefs 99 Micro. I just wanted the rear hinge mount just so it still looks stock. So like I said, very basic build, very capable build because this thing is awesome. I still have to do my video on the Dragonfly LCG chassis. I have two of them. I have this one and I have the under my Bronco. So I have to get that video going. We got the new Dumbo RC micro receivers. There's none of them in the States, so I had to order a couple of them from China. So I got those. Fits very well in there instead of having the big box. But yes, very excited to have a deadbolt on the channel. This week was kind of like a short week just because I'm still waiting on a whole bunch of parts. I did order the new 1.3 inch Enduro Klingon tires, whatever they're called. So I'm gonna do a product showcase on those tires. I also ordered some cool beadlock 1.3 inch wheels, which kind of has like that oil slick ring. So very excited to get those. They should be here this week-ish. So hopefully by next Sunday, I will have them to show you guys. Like I said, other than that, we just kind of cleaned up the shop a little bit, redid the walls. So other than that, it kind of rained most of this week, and I'm gonna go on vacation next week, so I should have this video posted for you guys no matter what. These Sunday recap episodes have been getting better and better. Each video gets more and more feedback. The views are getting higher. So I really thank you guys for watching these videos. I didn't know if it would take on or not, but with the feedback, I really appreciate it. Leave a comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys in the next video.